Hello beautiful you family, and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a very simple natural hair look. All right, so we are about to get started. So what I did is I sectioned my hair into two parts, and that is the back of my hair. I will be using my rubber band to put it in a lower ponytail. After I'm done with that, I made my hair pattern, and maybe in another video I will show you guys how I was able to do that head pattern. And I think sometimes I believe they call it a hair band or donut. That is it. What I did is I put some of my Mali hair in a net, and that is what I'm doing. So I am putting it at the back of my hair, and I want to make sure that it is well secured. So I am using my closed bobby pin and also some of my open bobby pins to create a shape that I like at the back. And it was a very simple. I was getting ready to go to church, so I wanted something so simple and quick. So that is it. That is what I did. So now we move it on to the front, and to the front, let me see, what would I be doing, Shirley? How am I going to do the front? So I'm using my Cantu hairspray detangler. So I used some of my Cantu Detangler spray to make sure that my hair was soft enough for me to work with. And now I am sectioning my hair into different parts. Alright, so I am just combing out my hair, and I sectioned it, and I'm now going to roll it or twist it to the back, and I am securing it with my closed bobby pin. So that is what I did. And again, what you want to do is section a little bit of your hair and roll it to the back or twist it. And once you are done twisting it, you secure it with a closed or open bobby pins, just to make sure that that hair is not going to be moving. So beautiful you family, I am almost done styling this natural hair look. So if you are new here, I want to welcome you to the beautiful you family, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are one of my subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for all your support. Please make sure you like, you share, you comment, and I will see you in my next video. All right, back to the hairstyling. So after I was done with that, my edges in front, I just comb it out to make sure that it looks a little bit sleek, and I'm using my Cantu edge control to make sure that my edges were laid a little bit. And that was it, guys. This was how I was able to achieve my quick and easy, very simple natural look, with a lower ponytail at the back. So that is what that was all that I did. It did not take me that long. So beautiful you family, all my natural sisters, you can also achieve this very simple look. So I am about to turn around so that you can see. I can give you like a 360 of this hair. Thank you. Please make sure you subscribe and like and share. Until I see you in my next video.